Hi everybody, my name is David. I'm a Coke Play Frontier from the Genesis Group. Today I want to give you guys a quick market update. Now Bitcoin did move up, and if Bitcoin can continue to keep this price at over 41,300 or 400 till the next day, I think that's about like 9 hours left. I think Bitcoin will actually move up. I mean, you might have a little pullback here and there, but it will be going up. It'll be a nice little upswing. So right now, if you look at a chart, this is by Optical Arts. I am a subscribe member to his charts. And these lines, you see like the blue line and there's a red line that he put, yellow above him. He didn't make these lines up while Bitcoin's moving. These were already preset lines. And Bitcoin does react to these lines. But Bitcoin could hold its price, then yeah, I think it'll break above the 41,000. Or you could bounce, maybe have a little pullback to 40,000, but move back up. And I think it'll break up and it'll test this white line. Yeah, that's just what I think. I don't know exactly when that'll happen, but here I was wrong. I said in some videos that it wouldn't surprise me if I see this green line and the orange line, like Bitcoin, bounce around and get towards where they cross and then have a move up or down. It seems like it is moving up. So hopefully it keeps the price, and then you'll see, it's going to test at 43,400. You can see it in, 43,900. So you can see 43,400 to 43,900. Bitcoin's going to have some resistance. Remember, I've been saying this for over a month, where you had a bullish divergence. And so if you look, okay, you have this right here. Bitcoin was at this price. And then you have another down period cross. Bitcoin was at a lower price, but the RSI continued to move up. And this is where Bitcoin hit its bottom at the moment. But the RSI was here or here. But it never went underneath this. So even though Bitcoin continued to go down, the RSI is leveling off. And that's why I said you have a bullish divergence on the 3-day RSI. And I expect Bitcoin, if it plays out, Bitcoin should move up. And it looks like that's what's happening. It seems like Bitcoin is following that 3-day RSI move. And so we should have a pretty good move. If you're wondering, let me discard that. I'm sorry, that's my dog. Okay, so here's Crypto Crew University. I'm also a member there. Now here, check this out. Okay, here you have the red line and the green line. I think it's like the 200-day and 50-day. When Bitcoin touches the 200-day, it kind of moves up towards the 50-day, and they'll pull back down to 200-day, back to the 50-day, and then it eventually fell under the 200-day. Again, it went closer, touched the 200-day, and moved back up to the 50-day. Right, and then went back down to 200, whatever. At the end, it went underneath. Even though it went above the 50, went back down and went underneath. Okay, that sharp drop off could have been from COVID. So what I'm saying here is Bitcoin got very close or touched the 200-day. And what I'm expecting, okay, just by Crypto Crew University, I highly recommend to take that channel, just like Optical Arts, is if it follows along this price action here, my guess with that 3-day RSI with the move up, we should have Bitcoin start moving up close to that 50-day, okay, moving average. All right. And that's around 49,000. So by the time it gets up there, who knows? It could be anywhere between like 47 to $50,000. It could peak above the 50-day, and then we might see it go back down and go around and test the 200-day, and it might move back up, and then eventually maybe it'll boom go under the 200-day. So no, that's not it. So that's what I expect. So it seems like this played out, and you could check the videos from months over a month ago, month and a half ago. Yeah, and that's what it looks like we're seeing. That's what's playing out. That 3-day RSI move, you had that bullish divergence. I showed you this right here from the past of 2017. Bitcoin gets near the 200-day or touches it, it moves up to the 50-day. Okay, and so we have a history of that right there. Back in 2014, you had nah, you can't say it got closer to 200-day. But anyway, yeah, hopefully it won't look like, it already doesn't look like 2014's move. It looks more like 2018. And again, after 2018. So this is what we're seeing. We're seeing something like this right here. Gets closer to 200, maybe this one or this one, touches and goes back down. And then eventually it goes under. And notice how the 50-day crosses the 200-day. It moves up. And it moves up. There it is. Okay. Gets close to the 200-day. It shoots back up to the 50-day. Goes back a little, touches the 200, go under 200, moves back up above the 50-day, and boom, it just drops off a cliff. I think that was because of COVID. And then you see the move up. And that's what we have right now. So that's what this looks like. It looks like it went under the 200-day. Now we're going to go test that 50-day. That's around 50,000. So that's what I see for Bitcoin. Okay. As long as it can hold this price, 41,300 to 400, it could hold, if it could hold that price for the next 9 hours, right? Now let's look at KOK-Play. If I look at KOK-COIN, I still think that, let's see, sometime next week or the week after, within 2 weeks, yeah, I expect KOK-Play to have a big move up. You could check the videos. I mentioned, a move up, and it did, like that $5.80. I might have not set the price, but I did say, yeah, I expect to move up. That happened. But I'm talking about within the next 2 weeks, hopefully within this month, you see KOK-Play even breaking its previous all-time high of $6, 70 cents. That's just what I see in the charts for KOK-Play. KOK-Play has a beautiful setup right now. It's, consolidating right here, and I think it's getting ready for a move. So KOK-Play, and because Bitcoin looks like it's going to have its move up, it's going to get that extra momentum for Coke Play to move up, because you're going to see more money going into the market. So that's what I see. So what I'm saying is, I think, yeah, within a couple weeks, or hopefully within this month, Coke Play is going to move up and even, break its all-time high. Bitcoin, if it can hold its price now for the next 9 hours, you'll see a momentum for it to move up, and hopefully around 50, whatever, between 47 to 50 something thousand, before you see it pull back down. And yeah, that's what I see. Now, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just giving you my opinion, and I give you the reasons why I have those opinions. All right. Everyone, please stay safe out there. Coke Play family, please stay safe. I do expect inflation to get worse. And depending on what parts of the world you're in, it's going to get worse than other places. And depending on what parts of the world or what part of the country you're in, of that part of the world you're in, you're going to see supply shortages. So you should prepare for that kind of stuff. Please take good care of yourself. Take good physical care of yourself. Please take good spiritual care of yourself. Mental care of yourself, okay? I'm praying for all of you in the Coke family and everyone else out there. Please do the same for me. And yeah, God bless y'all. Stay safe. And of course, Coke on.